In this video, we will do ombre using the Russian technique, which is a very easy method, especially for beginners. This video starts after manicure and preparing the natural nail in order to shorten the length of the video and keep the focus more on the technique. After the manicure and shaping the natural nail, we apply a thin base coat, keeping about 1 millimeter away from the cuticle area. This ombre method is easier because it doesn't require more precision. With the ombre brush, we blend the gel polish in 3 steps. After applying each layer of gel, wipe the brush first and then blend for a smooth fade. Each layer should be cured for 20 or 30 seconds. Fade the gel polish using a tapping and pressing motion with the brush. It's very important, the free edge and side walls must be covered with a gel polish. And if you use too much gel polish, it won't blend. Always pick up a small amount of gel. Each layer of 3 steps should be cured. Now apply a thin layer of builder gel without curing. Apply a second slightly thicker layer, then you cure for 60 or 90 seconds. The key to this method is choosing a builder gel that's not too dark and not too sheer. It should slightly cover the gel polish to achieve a smooth faded effect. And you keep most of the builder gel on the apex area and 2/3 of the nail, leaving the free edge less covered. In 99%, light peach or light milky shades work best. After a 90-second cure, we refine the nail shape. Use a thin drill bit around the nail to clean any gel that may have spilled into the cuticle area and to refine the nail shape. Finish with a top coat and you are done. If you enjoyed the video, please support me with a like. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.